Overcrowded trains are now a thing of the past in the new normal as the LRT and MRT resume operations today. The Transport Department says the trains will only use 10 to 12% of the regular capacity. Our Anjo Alimario is at the MRT North Avenue station. Anjo, good morning. How is the situation there? Is there already a queue?
Good morning, Ria. Well, no long lines yet here at the station as more passengers arrive here on their way to work. Of course, more businesses are open as Metro Manila shifts to general community quarantine starting today. But apart from anxieties of getting sick from COVID-19, commuters will also have to face the problem of getting a ride going to work. Still no jeepneys and buses, and there are limited modes of transportation. So workers have the MRT as their cheapest way to reach their destination. Trains started operating at 5:30 in the morning. The last trip for North Avenue Station is at 9:10 p.m. and for Taft Avenue, it's 10:10 p.m. But of course, it's not your usual trip in the MRT. Safety protocols are in place. That means longer waiting time for commuters. Not only that, limited number of passengers will also be allowed per trip. Only 153 passengers per train set, or just 13% of its pre-quarantine capacity of 1,182 passengers. But train officials say 19 train sets will be running starting today compared to the usual of 15 trains. And from a pre-quarantine speed of 30 kilometers per hour, trains will be going at a faster clip of up to 40 kilometers per hour. That's for certain sections of MRT 3 main line, specifically between North Avenue and Santolan stations and between Buendia and Taft stations. This will reduce the time between trains from an average of 9 minutes pre-quarantine to an average of 6 minutes upon resumption of operations today. Physical markers and dividers have also been placed to ensure that social distancing will be observed. So for those of you who are just about to head here, bring a lot of patience with you. Always wear your mask and always practice social distancing and keep safe. Ria?
All right, thank you very much for that, Anjo Alimario.